Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you all having a good time. It's Raphael back again. I know some of you have already missed me. I'm still alive, guys. I was just ill a little bit, had a little bronchitis, but I'm feeling much better now. Took a few days off, was relaxing at home. Finished the 50K challenge, recorded all my trades for the Genius Trading Masterclass course for the new section. As you all know, I'm going through all the challenges from FTMO, record every trade to make sure I can show you exactly how it has to be done. So you can see exactly how I'm doing it to make sure that you can learn from that, do the same thing, get big capital and make a lot of money. That's my goal for you guys. So yeah, this is basically what I did last days while I was drinking a lot of tea and stuff. And yeah, today I shared 2 entries with the inner circle of our team. I want to talk about them real quick and show you the FTMO results. Man, this was one of the worst challenges that I've took on FTMO so far. As you can see, it was a roller coaster ride. I was going up, I was up in profit like 3,000, and I was going down like minus 1.8k, and then yeah, I finished strong with a 2% risk trade. Finished the challenge on the last day. I know I think I had like 1 or 2 days. No, I just had 1 day left. 2 days, sorry. Yeah, I had 2 days left, guys. I mean, look, I had my first trading session 14th of September, then 19th, 20, 27, 28, 29, 30. And man, I was more than a week off the charts, guys. I think the whole challenge was just like 2 trading weeks. I was 1.5 week off the charts. I was not trading. So yeah, but I was still able to manage to make it happen. As you can see, average loss was $150 and my average profit was around $756. So the risk reward ratio was a 5-to-1 risk reward ratio. The accuracy, the hit rate was horrible. I took so many aggressive entries without a really good confirmation, and that's why my hit rate was suffering a little bit on that challenge. But yeah, I'm going for the next challenges. I will stay more disciplined and patient to wait for my setup and to make it happen, right? And yeah, let's check the verification. I just started today the second round. I just need to make like 5% on that 50k account for the next I have 60 days. Just started today, guys. Took my first trade, was a runner. Beautiful. Like this risk reward ratio, I was risking like $250, made like $1,000. So it was a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is beautiful. On the FTMO, kind of didn't took this one here, just took that one. Was beautifully running in my profit target. And let me show you exactly why I was taking that trade, guys. So first of all, on the daily chart, you all know we are in a big downtrend on NAS 100, as you know. So what was happening, guys? Well, if the market drops that quick, you see that? If it drops that quick, that means there are a lot of orders waiting to get filled in here, right? And above this high, I think this was last week's high, right? Yeah, it was last week's high. As you can see, above that high, I was looking for sell opportunity, guys. So let's get down to a little bit lower time frames in here. So we had this significant high, last week's high in here. And yesterday the market was just bullish. I was not interested in taking any trades in here. And then today the market pushed above last week's high, and we created a high. I think this was during Asian London session somewhere. We created a high in here, we created a low in here. And I was looking for a sell opportunity as soon as the market is pushing above the high that we created during the London and Asia session, right? So let's go to a little bit lower time frame. That's the 15-minute chart. As you can see, the market was pushing above. At around 8:30, New York session started. So the New York session started around on that candle in here, was continue to push, was not really giving us any sign of a reversal. But let's go down a little bit further, guys. So at around 9:06, the market started to break structure on the smaller time frame in here, and I was not patient enough to wait for the algorithms to kick in at around 9:30. So I was taking that sell in here, put my stop above that high, just in case the market just wants to drop down and make business around that low in here. So I took my first loss in here, but then as you can see, the market beautifully reacted after I got stopped out, after all the early birds got triggered. I mean, I was part of the early bird gang today, but I was able to take a second chance entry after I saw that the market was pushing and got rejected really strong just before the big figure number 11,400. At around 11,380, around this number, we had a huge reaction. Like, market was coming down with momentum, and it was just 3 minutes after the algorithm started to kick in. So I was like, all right, let's give it a second chance entry in here. Market was coming down pretty aggressive, so I knew, okay, there are some bigger entities selling this thing, and I wanted to be part of it. So I just took that sell in here, and my target was down here, the low that we've created around Asia session, London session. So I was just watching the chart. As soon as the market was coming down like this, I was taking risk off the table, and I was just watching it, seeing it drop further. And then after all, when it got up in here, as soon as I saw it drops again, I started to load up my position on my bigger account. Loaded up my position, moved my stop a little bit more down, but just to make sure I'm not risking too much, so I was around break even. So I loaded up in here, and then I closed everything down here as soon as we took out the business in here, all the sell side liquidity, all the sellers that want to sell in here, or all the stop loss orders that are sitting here from all the buyers, So this is where I got out, and as you can see, market reacted to that level pretty strong, because many smart money traders are taking profits in here. And was perfect exit, as you can see, guys. 4-to-1 risk reward ratio was beautiful, guys. That's it for today. I'm gonna keep you updated about what's going on for the next couple of weeks. I want to push a little bit stronger on FTMO, just to make sure I'm finishing the chapters for the course with a 100k challenge, 200k challenge, and then I'm going to trade all the accounts. I'm gonna put all the accounts together on one big account, and then I'm going to trade this account and show you what's possible in here. All right, so that's the plan. If you need any help, guys, check the link down below in the description, only in the description. Make sure to drop me a private message in Telegram if you're still struggling trader, losing trader. I have a lot of knowledge to share with you, so just make sure to drop me a message. I'm there to help if I have time. And that's it for today, guys. Stay healthy. I wish you a great day. Peace out.